So the first thing we do, because the K&N filter get dirty, how you can see, because the pollen season, so it's time to clean it. So what you're gonna need the box here. This is the cleaner for the K&N. So we're gonna grab this one first. This is the greaser, and this is the charger. The charger we're gonna use after the filter gets dry. So first thing is first, we're gonna take this, shake it, and we're gonna spray everything on top of it. Keep spraying all the way. See, all this dirt need to go away. So it's better to do it at night, like they could keep the filter dry all night, and in the morning you put the charger. Yeah, spray it a little by little. Okay, so now we're gonna leave it sit for 5 minutes to 10 minutes until the fluid work good and remove all the grease you have inside of it, and like that we're gonna go clean it after. So now after we leave it like for 10 minutes, so we're gonna start remove it and clean it, and gonna push the sink to start fill up the water and do it on cold water. We're gonna see all the dirt is gonna start coming out. Look at that, guys. Got this one here. You have to keep clean it. Look all this dirty. See that, guys, the difference? And you have to use only cold water. Don't use hot water. Look on the side here, how dirty it is. Look at the water, how it's dirty. Really dirty, guys. So I'm gonna do the process second time to make sure the filter's coming clean. Yeah, all that is dirty. So I gotta move it. We're gonna do process one more time. to make sure there's no dirty stay stuck there. Look at that, guys. There are the sides. Clean the sink. Make sure you clean the sink really good. And clean the sink. So now after I clean it, I take it outside the house, the apartment. So I'm gonna leave it the whole night, get dry, and until the morning we're gonna put the oil charge. So now it's time to put the charger oil. So we're gonna do, shake it really good. And get the filter, and we're gonna spray like that. Make sure you spray from the line. Here we go. This is the filter. And we're gonna leave it sit for another 10 minutes and before I put it in. And don't forget to clean all this oil from the sides. And we're gonna leave it sit. We're gonna leave it sit up here, close to the window, let it dry a little bit. Any extra oil, you're gonna drop down. Okay guys, so this is after I clean it. Look how it's clean now. So we're gonna pick up some horsepower there.